Hi guys, I'm Kay.
I'm JJ.
Do you know what are you guys doing today?
Yes.
And do you guys know the prize?
The prize? No! What prize?
There is a prize. Our company is gonna give the winner $20 coupon for Starbucks.
I said, what? She said, yeah.
$20.
Are you guys ready? In front of you, you have several options that you have to choose which one are you going to be doing today.
I'm number one.
Oh, wait, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4.
Be careful. 1, 2, 3. Oh no! Okay, you got the
Oh
umbrella.
my god. Oh my god, we have to open this.
In 5 minutes, the one who has the best piece,
time? Best piece?
yes, the best piece will be the winner.
Oh my god, it's sticking.
2, 3, start.
오. 되게 맛있어.
We can see JJ technique.
What's the technique I should learn? Is it a Korean technique?
Oh my god!
Did it break? Did it break? Am I winning?
Not yet, not yet.
Wait, 5 minutes is too short.
Wow!
No!
Soccer!
No!
Soccer!
JJ, wait for me. Wait.
I'll make you. I'm making you. Okay.
No.
Whoa! JJ is ahead of you.
Okay.
No.
Last piece.
No.
Need to wait
Wow, last
the 5
piece.
minutes.
No.
Last piece. Please.
I'm losing.
Nah! I'm done. Soccer.
Maybe I should just give up and use my hand.
detail.
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 What if he breaks it on the detail?
Detail. This trick.
No.
How many minutes then? You still have half of the time.
And
Oh, shit.
soccer. I win.
Oh shit! No! I failed! No!
Show it to the camera.
My umbrella!
Congratulations, JJ. Hello, I'm Lee.
Hi, I'm Doyan.
You ready to lose?
I'm gonna win, by the way.
I'll let you choose first.
Okay. I choose you.
Careful! There. 아직 안 봤어. Yeah. Me. Okay, I'll choose this one. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Easy, okay. I think that's easier.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay.
No? I have circle.
I have a triangle. Oh!
No!
Oh, no.
That's not fair.
Oh.
That's not fair. No.
Lucky guy.
No.
Yes.
No, I need to break
yes.
it as well.
Yes.
I might use that technique. Right the
Oh my god.
What?
You see? Easier. Oh my god. So
Wait a minute.
no, nothing happened. Nothing happened.
Whoa!
No. You gotta treat me to Starbucks. I already lost.
Whoa!
Oh!
I think triangle is the easiest one.
48 seconds. Winner.
Yes. Yes.
This is Lucia.
This is Amy. Are you guys ready? Okay.
Yes.
Ready? You can choose Lucia.
Here I go.
I do. Okay. A good one.
어려운 건가?
1, 2, 3.
Oh!
Can you show it to camera? You're out.
I have 2 art.
Me too. I almost give up. I will die, maybe.
이거 어떻게 하지?
너무 어려워.
Why so big?
1,
So
2,
big.
3, Start.
Start. Lucia's hands are shaking. Oh!
Wow!
Since you have two pictures, at least you have to get one of
Okay,
them.
okay. Accept. Oh my gosh.
Oh!
No!
Serotto!
Broken heart.
The second is already broken. Then next chance. 깨졌어. 오! 깨졌어. I'm dead. 탈락.
Oh!